Good morning, guys. It's December 22nd. I just had my second inspection and I almost passed, but a few things to fix. I want to walk you through the house to show you what I missed. Also as a record to me so I don't forget to fix these things. So let's check them out. This one sucks. Any guesses? This is a vent and it's a double sanitary tee and it's upside down. Vents need to be going like this. See how it vents up? This one goes down, it needs to vent up. So, dang it, upside down. But I can fix that. That needs spray foam. That needs spray foam. That needs a nail plate. 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 Basically, a lot of stuff in here needs nail plates. Anything that's 1.25 inches or less to the front of the board. So I'll go through, I've got a ton of nail plates. Doesn't look like much, but they recommended some straps up there just because those overlapping top plates are within a few inches of each other. Just in general, all these DWVs need to be on test, which means I need to go up to the roof and fill it with water. I thought we would do that today together, but apparently I just need to have it on test so they can just do a visual inspection and make sure that none of these DWV fittings are leaking. Need to foam that hole. And by the way, gas, these things need to be on test as well at 10 psi. Also need to foam around the edges of things like this. Hey crew, I just want to sign off before heading out to brush for Christmas. What a couple of days. I should have not run Mount Sanitas with Joe yesterday and then worked through the night to get my plumbing done. But you know what? It's done. And there's only that one sanitary tee to flip upside down and just have to have my gas and water on test and I'm going to be done with rough-ins. So Merry Christmas to y'all. I'll probably post a few pictures and videos from Christmas with the family, but what a hell of a 2021 it's been. Looking forward to a great 2022, and I'll see you guys. There's still a few days left this year, but it's been good. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. I really do appreciate it. You know, you guys reach out and say kind things. I really appreciate that. This is hard. It's cold. It's cold here at the house. The work is hard on top of my day job, but it's really rewarding, and people like y'all make it worthwhile. So thanks. Merry Christmas. Gonna sign off for now. We'll see you in the next video. Okay. Hey crew, it's Tuesday, December 28th. Christmas is behind us, and I'm back at the house fixing things. So my next inspection's tomorrow. I do expect to pass rough ends, but a couple of things to fix first. Remember that sanitary tee that was upside down? I've got it flipped the right way for venting, and I had to put in a few couplers, but it's good to go. Just have to cut and run the final piece through the roof now, so yeah. Slightly annoyingly, but for good purpose, my inspector's requiring clean out T here. That is mainly so I can plug this part of the venting. Without that, I wouldn't be able to water test any of this whole DWV stack because everything would drain through here, even though this would be plugged. So clean out T we go.